Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to modify the frame rate in Premiere Pro. The process is quite straightforward. First, navigate to your project panel to find your timeline. If the project tab isn't visible, click the small drop-down arrow and select Project. Once you locate the timeline icon, right-click it and select Sequence Settings. In the Settings window, look for the Timebase option located under the Editing Mode section. This setting controls your frames per second. Open the drop-down menu and choose your desired frame rate. For instance, we can select 60 frames. Click OK to confirm the change for your entire sequence. Now, your timeline is set to 60 FPS. You can confirm this by scrubbing through the timecode, which will now count up to 60 frames. This adjustment allows for much smoother animations and overlays within your project. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next one.